Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Shiba Inu coin price prediction in this video. Are we going to see more pain in the short term for the price of Shiba Inu? We're going to dive into it in this video. Of course, none of this is financial advice. We're all speculating. We're trying to use our best tools, our best analysis. I'm listening to the brightest minds when it comes to this. And here's the thing. Right now, we are seeing a kind of shift, right, in capital, right? We're seeing what's happening with Pepe. We cannot deny it. We're seeing what's happened with a lot of these other new meme coins. A lot of the capital right now is flowing into those particular projects. People are chasing right now. Be careful if you are. Always have a profit-taking plan. But when it comes to SHIB, I'm looking at SHIB always as a long-term investment. This is a household crypto now. Top 20, top 15 crypto. It's a household name. It's going to, number one, follow Ethereum and Bitcoin very closely, which it is doing. So when we're looking at great opportunities out there, I think SHIB is one of those great opportunities. And we just might get even cheaper prices. In fact, we might go back down to December 2022 lows. If you remember, around those timeframes, before we turned the page to the new year, Bitcoin was way down, right? Bitcoin was way down to 16, 17,000. Shiba Inu was in the high sevens and in the low eights for the majority of late 2022. We actually saw two big dips late in 2022 that took us down to these levels. Right now, Shiba Inu's price is being controlled by the bears. There's no doubt about it. We're at 5093. Listen, I've already added twice to my SHIB bag. I'm dollar cost averaging right now. That's what I'm doing. Don't just do what I do. But I love to accumulate certain assets at different price levels. You know, another one I'm eyeing right now is Polygon-matic. Listen, I am definitely in on the new cryptos that are out there right now. I'm definitely chasing some things, but I'm only investing what I'm willing to lose. And if I'm lucky enough to make some capital, I want to shift that capital back into blue chips and even into stocks, I know, and even into real estate, right? That is my plan. That is it. And this is why it's eyes wide open all the time in the cryptocurrency market, because no matter what, there's opportunities to be had. And I'm going to be watching SHIB very, very closely because the next support zone is the 9 flat level. After that, we could see a drop to potentially the low 8s, even the 7-9 level. Those are both some demand zones that we saw finally bulls come in and accumulate there at those levels. But again, this is short term. This is short-term price action. And it's hard to kind of put your ego aside. It's hard. It's like a reverse psychology kind of thing, right? Because you feel like, oh my gosh, everything's going down. I can't buy right now, right? It's hard to buy on the red days. It's easy to chase green candles, as weird as that sounds, right? But keep this in mind with SHIB. Money right now is shifting around. It's going to follow closely with Ethereum and Bitcoin until we get a major catalyst. Of course, the big one looming is, well, drop it down below, Shibarium. When is it coming? I don't know, but I'm ready for it. I know you are too. Appreciate you guys as always. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, make sure you do that real quick. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did down below and by hitting the like button and subscribing. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.